Hi, my dear friends, Punarvas Jayakumar here. So, guys, I just wanted to tell you that people have been calling us and telling, sir, DT, your regular batch and fast track premium, is there a possibility of having, what do you say, different validity? And we don't want books. We already have bought the books, but can we, buy the lectures now and all those things? And some of you are saying that, sir, books we don't want, we only want lectures. Ebook is okay, but validity, can you just make it, lesser? So that we want to finish it off now only. Guys, we at Advait, as you already know, since the year 2020, we always have been, for the students and those of you who cannot afford, we also want to make it affordable to all of you. So because of the crazy demand that you guys are putting in, I hereby am proud to announce my DT regular batch at different validity. Now the recording is going on full throttle every single day, around 3 to 4 hours of recording. I'm having super fun. Having said that, because of the genuine concerns of the students with respect to different validity, here it is, DT regular batch, only lectures guys, books have to be bought separately. This is based on what you have told only. So I wanted to give you at the best rate possible. This is inclusive of GST. So for 2 months validity, those of you who can sit down and finish it off in 2 months, 4718 it is. That is just the lectures, no books. This is 240 hours of lectures, my dear friends. 3 months validity is 5900 and 6 months validity is 8259. So why these weird figures? It is including GST. So we are GST compliant, obviously. 18% GST will obviously be paid on all these things on an inclusive basis. Yes. So this is not available anywhere else. You can contact our office there. Numbers are given. And also you can contact, check the website. It will be there. So this is 240 hours and 1.8 views. But the validity is 2 months, 3 months and 6 months. Only lectures, no books. Okay. This is for May 24 and November 24. So you asked for it. Here it is. Please do not comment below saying that give me books also in this. Guys, we are not a charitable organization. Most of the students understand, but some of you, I don't know why you keep messaging that please give me books also. Guys, you can check out anywhere in the market. Ours is the most reasonable, and in fact even the regular batch is extremely reasonable with, of course, the 6 months validity and with books and all those things. Sorry, that is 9 months validity. But the thing is, you guys asked for only the lectures and at lesser validity. So here, this is what we are giving. So kindly do not ask for discount in quality education. Once you see the DT lectures, you will know what quality and what depth we are going, because we are giving along with all the books, also giving, as I told you, the Bare Act. So guys, in 11999 in our usual regular product, you have this module number 1 colored, module number 2 which is black and white, and a Q&A module also which will come, and I'm giving you the Bare Act. So I'll teach you how to read the Bare Act. This Bare Act also worth 1000 rupees, I think. Yes, 995 is gonna be given to you. So the thing is, yes, if you want book separately, you have to purchase it separately. That goes without saying. But if you want only lectures, go for it. So I have given you this thing. Please don't tell that I want books also in that. Please, I will not entertain any such requests. So for quality education, you should not bargain. And we are not a charitable organization. But having said that, guys, most reasonable. I want to make it very reasonable and affordable to all our students, because different people have different, requirements. For those requirements, as long as they are reasonable, I am here to follow. Okay, so here goes, my dear friends. Thank you so much actually for the amazing response for my DT regular batch. So many of you have bought. It has exceeded my expectations and I'm overjoyed, and I'm extremely thankful to you for doing this. This is one part of the story. Sir, what about fast track premium for November 23? That also we have at varying, validity, guys. 1.7 views, it's around 160 hours, but it is for 1 month validity, 3 months validity, 6 months validity. These are the rates: 2360, 3540 and 4720 inclusive of GST. This is again without books. So go for it. This is what I want to tell you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for excellent analysis of the provisions to the best of my knowledge and ability, and also some exciting news lie ahead. You will really enjoy it. You will know what the news is very soon. Take care, guys.